Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. To add it, open Calendar application, tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 80, and there, this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part we can set when event starts, in which time and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. Next step is repeat of that if we need it. Reminders, but in this part we can get only notification about that, and we can add more than one, or we can set don't remind me what you need, and there we can turn on our alarm. We get notification and alarm when we choose it. And the last step, one of the last step, we can add this event to our group on Gmail, calendar or something like that. We can set it and add it to more calendar than only our location and description of our event. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Choose this icon to save it, and we have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.